This Bradbury system punches and forms 90-degree angle sections at speeds up to 200 feet per minute. The 3 die sets mounted in this system contain 5 strip paths. The desired path is aligned using driven carriage plates. The selected die is accurately positioned and locked in place with automatic pin locators and hydraulic die clamps. A rafted 420 roll former produces a variety of angles with equal or unequal legs. The line is sized to handle 16 to 12 gauge strip and form up to 3 by 3 inch angles. A servo-controlled conveyor automatically repositions the pallet between each part to ensure a perfect stack.